In today's episode, we're going to take some plain flour, we're going to make a batter mix, and we're going to make some nice, thick, American-style pancakes and drizzle them with maple syrup. Stick around, it's going to be absolutely amazing. Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Paulies Kitchen. My name is Paulie and this is my kitchen. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to make some nice, big, thick, fluffy American style pancakes. These things are so delicious and I'm going to drizzle these with some maple syrup and some butter. Feel free to put some fresh fruit on these. Blueberries and strawberries work really well as well. And if you prefer your pancakes a little bit more thinner, like French style crepe pancakes, use half the amount of flour that I'm going to use in my recipe and you will have absolutely incredible crepes. But guys, if this is your first time here, do remember to like, comment, subscribe and hit that bell button so you find out when I release my next video, which will be really soon. But in the meantime guys, we're going to dive straight in and this is everything you will need. Don't worry if you missed these ingredients, I will be putting these in the info box below, so check out down there and you'll catch them all down there. As well as those ingredients, we will be using some oil as well, and we're just going to pop that down there. But the first thing we're going to do guys, we're going to grab our nice glass bowl, we're going to pop that there. So now that we have our glass bowl ready, we're going to take our sieve, and all we're going to do is pour our flour into the sieve, and we're going to gently sieve this through. So now that all of our flour is sifted in our bowl, we're going to take our baking powder and we're gently going to sprinkle that in. We're going to take our salt and our sugar. We just need to take a spoon and we're just going to mix all of our dry ingredients together. Lovely. Now what we're going to do, we're just going to move that across, pop that down there, and we're going to grab our milk. Next we're going to take our egg and just crack that on our milk jug, open it up and drop that into our milk. So let's take our whisk and we're just going to twizzle that around like that, and we're going to mix the egg into our milk. So now that our egg is in with our milk, we're going to move that aside, we're going to bring our flour bowl back, and what we're going to do is we're going to take this and pour it into here. I'm going to take our whisk again and we're just going to whisk our flour, milk and egg mixture together to form a lovely batter. So now that all of our ingredients are mixed up, we've got this lovely thick batter. Look at that, they're going to make absolutely amazing pancakes. So what we need to do now is we need to take our lighter, we need to light our stove, we're going to take our oil and we're going to pour a little bit of oil into our frying pan. So now that our oil is in our frying pan, what we're going to do is we're going to pop that there. We're going to take our ladle and pop that into our batter mix. Next, we're going to give our frying pan a good shake to make sure that the frying pan is evenly covered with our oil. We're going to take a piece of our kitchen roll and we're just going to wipe the inside. So we're just going to take a ladle full of our batter mix and we're just going to place that in the center of our frying pan. We're just going to roll it around to make sure it's nice and even. And we've got great big thick pancakes. So while our first pancake is cooking in our frying pan, we're going to take a plate and we're just going to pop that there, and we're going to use that plate to stack all of our pancakes up as and when they're cooked. So when your pancake looks like this, just get your tongs and then flip it over, just like that. And then literally just take your pancake and put it on your plate. That's it, that's our pancakes cooked. All we need to do now, place our butter on top and then drizzle over loads of maple syrup. Yeah, look at that, lovely. It's exactly how you make nice, big, thick, fluffy American pancakes, and I'm going to tuck into these now, so I'm going to sign off. But guys, thanks for watching. Do remember to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell button so you do find out when I release my next video, which will be really soon. But in the meantime, guys, take care, and I'll see you again soon. Thank you, bye-bye.